In this video, I'll show you how to save ideas or feedback from Slack channel into Notion automatically. So whenever any new message is posted on your Slack channel, we are going to automatically save those messages into Notion by creating a database item. In this way, you can keep a track record of all the conversations, all the chats which are being held on your Slack channel. Whether you are discussing any feedback, whether you are discussing any ideas, whether you are posting the sales details into your Slack channel, you can save those details into Notion automatically. So if you also want to automate this process for yourself, come with me and I will show you how you can connect the Slack and Notion automatically with the help of an automation software. So I've created a channel with the name announcement into Slack, and if any team member is going to post a message here, the message along with all user details will be collected automatically into Notion. But for that, firstly, I'll have to integrate Slack with the Notion, and I'm going to do that with Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software where which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box for your reference. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test such kinds of amazing automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so firstly I have clicked on sign in, then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now among all the application, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after reaching here, the very first thing you'll have to do is to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am providing the name something like whenever any new message, when new message is posted in Slack, okay, in Slack, the spelling should be correct, save those messages in Notion. Okay, I will be writing it here as Notion, and let me also correct the spelling as this. Okay, I hope it is looking good. Okay, when new messages posted in Slack, save those messages in Notion. Okay, now click on create, and after that you'll find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means automatically do this. Okay, when this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new message is posted into Slack application, then automatically save those messages inside Notion application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, in this case we are building an automation in Slack and Notion application. Okay, so that is why I have selected these two applications into trigger and action. Okay, and now I want that whenever any new message is posted, okay, you can also read the instructions, trigger when new message is posted. Okay, whenever any new message is posted into Slack, Pabbly Connect should capture the data here inside the dashboard. Okay, so for that, firstly I'll have to connect my Slack channel with the Pabbly Connect. And what is the difference in between user and bot? So you can actually visit this particular documentation for the difference, where it is clearly given that if you will choose user, what permission you will get. If you will go with the bot, what permissions you will get. Okay, I'll go with the user only. Now click on save and simply provide the access of your Slack channel. Well, I am already logged in into my Slack channel into a different tab, so it is not asking me for the credentials. It is simply asking me for the permission. Okay, so I have clicked on allow, and this is how the authorization is successful, and my Slack channel, my Slack application is connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see, since we are connected, whatever the channels I have created into my Slack account have started visible here. Okay, and I want that whenever someone is going to post something here, the details of that channel should be captured via Pabbly Connect. So that is why I'm going to select specifically this channel only. Okay, so the name of the channel is announcements, and now I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request in front of you, and you will see the details of the most recent message will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Here you can see, hey team, I have created this design. Okay, let me show you. Hey team, I have created this design, check it. Okay, but in front of you I'm going to post some other message. Okay, so I have already created a message inside my notepad. Okay, so how about I directly copy this message and paste it here. Firstly, I'm going to add this separation, then I will be adding this particular message, that is, hey, I went on a call with the Mr. Zucchini. He's convinced to buy our $259 plan. Team, please make sure that the product should be delivered to them on time. Okay, now press enter, and this is how, assume that a user has posted this particular message on our Slack channel. Okay, coming back and then clicking on this button, and you will see this time it will capture that most recent message, and here you can see it is the same message, and the very first detail we have is the user ID. Okay, so instead of capturing the username and the user email who has posted this particular message, Pabbly Connect has captured the user ID. We have the type as the message, we have this TS, which I really don't know what is this all about. Okay, and we even have several other details. Okay, and into my Notion I would like to save few details. Those are actually the message. Okay, firstly I would like to save the message. Secondly, I also want the name and email and the channel name. Well, I already know that what will be the channel name because I have already specified it here. Okay, but I do not have this username and the name of the person who has posted this particular message. Okay, so I'll have to first fetch those details as well, and I can do that with the help of this user ID. Yes, it is very simple. You just need to add the Slack in one more action step. Okay, simply click on this plus icon and search for the Slack application here once again, and this time in the action event you'll have to search for this get user by ID. Okay, get user by ID. Okay, so here with the help of this ID only we are going to fetch the user details, and now you will have to connect the Slack with Pabbly Connect once again, and this time instead of going with the new connection I'll go with the existing connection. Simply click on save, and this is how your Slack channel will be connected with Pabbly Connect once again, asking for the user ID. Okay, well, the interesting thing is we don't need to manually copy this ID and paste it here. We are actually going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that data. Okay, and this is how you can map the details, map the values. Okay, what is the significance of mapping? Whatever the details you are going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, let me click on this button save and send test request, and you will see the magic that Pabbly Connect will give us the name of the user and it will also give us the username. Okay, so let me show you where is the username. Let me show you the email ID. And here you can see we also have received the email address of the person who has just posted. Okay, now moving further, basically presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Slack is working absolutely fine. Now moving further, I want to save those details into Notion. Okay, so how I am going to do that? I am going to again connect Notion with Pabbly Connect just like I have connected this Slack and Pabbly Connect. Okay, for that you'll have to click on this plus, you will have to click on this connect button, select this add a new connection, click on this connect with the Notion, and again I'm already logged in into my Notion application, so it will directly ask me for the permissions only. Okay, so make sure that you provide the access of all the pages which you have created here into Notion. Okay, and make sure that here I have created the page with the name something like all incoming messages of Slack channel. So make sure the permission of this particular page should be given. Okay, it is really important. Click on allow access, and this is how again the authorization will be successful and Notion will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here again you can see since we are connected, since Notion is connected with Pabbly Connect, whatever the databases are available inside my Notion, no, it is not showing all the databases because I have provided the permission of only these two pages. That is why only two pages are visible here. Okay, so let me show you the name of our database is actually all incoming messages of Slack channel, and here you can see I have created 4 columns. One is channel name, the name, email and message. If I will come back and if I will show you the fields here, you will find the very same field. Okay, here we have the channel name, the email, the name and the message, and this is the default field. Okay, so I just need to provide the data here inside Pabbly Connect, and you will see how with the help of Pabbly Connect only the details will be added here automatically. Okay, so firstly it is asking for the message. Again, I don't need to manually copy the details from anywhere. I'm going to actually do it with the help of mapping. Okay, simply click on this field and you will find again the above data. Here in the drop down I have mapped this message, also asking for the name. So how about I search for the name here? I remember that we have received the name as Ashira. All right, we have the username, asking for the email and the channel. So firstly I am going to provide the channel name. So I have the channel name as this announcement. Okay, so let me first copy and paste it here, and let me tell you that whatever the details I am providing here manually will remain same, and whatever the details I have mapped here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in next time. Okay, lastly it is asking for the email address. So how about I directly search it with the help of @. All right, I have searched for this, and let me map the email address also. Alright, I have mapped the email address. Finally, I will be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see how the details will be added automatically into our Notion database item. Here you can see the channel name is announcement. We have the name of the person, we have the email address of the person, and we even have the very same message. So this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to post a new message here, the details of that message will be collected via Notion automatically. In this way, you can keep a track of all your conversation which are actually being held into your Slack channel. You can actually keep a track record into the Notion, basically from the Notion itself. Okay, and you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation, this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow. Okay, let me show you the link. I will add this link into my description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.